Testing. Okay, I'm live. Okay, give me a second. I need to like still set up my account. I need to get this Tradeify account activated to be funded. I need to get another Tradeify account. Okay. So give me a second here. Just I have to do a few things by getting these accounts real quick. So I gotta pay 125 for one of them. It's a funded. Let me play some music too, so I have this going. Put it through my headphones. Okay. Just give me a second here. I still have to get set up with my account and whatnot. And then place order. Oh, credit card. Yes. Okay, give me a second. This happened last time. Let me go get, hold on, my other phone. Okay, so I'm currently trying to get this set up. Let me just put a text here so y'all know. Sorry. To my one viewer, I apologize. Just wasn't ready. Getting accounts set up right now. Let's make this bigger. Okay. Was 250. Your card is inclined. 36. Okay. 32. Make sure I'm doing everything right here because this happened last time. A Tradeify was giving me issues with using the card. Let's see here. Okay, everything seems right again. Let's try this again. Ah, this is annoying. Okay, let's try this. I have another idea. What if I do this? Because like what it does is that the bank thinks it's fraud because it's Tradeify. So then but I don't know when I can accept it though. But I think if I just call the bank now, they'll accept it. Let's see here. I'm just trying to figure things out. This is frustrating. I was trying to do this earlier, but I didn't have time. 250. Okay, look. So this happened with the funded last time. What if I just try to get a not funded account, just a regular account? Because that worked last time too. Let's do that real quick. Okay, just a regular one. Feb. Nice. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. Dog. Oh, alright, I just have to wait for a few things. This sucks. Okay. It's like the only thing that I can complain about with Tradify, but everything else is so perfect. Let's see. Let me just make sure everything is correct. 286. It's default. I'm gonna go crazy. Where'd the text go? Oh yeah. I hope that I don't gotta wait like 20-30 minutes for this. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try something else too. All right. So sorry for y'all having y'all wait here. Uh, Hi Peter. Hi Noah. I apologize. So basically, I can't get these accounts activated. I have to wait for my bank to text me. I don't know how long it's gonna take. So I'm just gonna trade my Bonox accounts. But I was trying to get a Tradeify account, then activate one of the Tradeify funded accounts, but it just wasn't working right now. So I'm just gonna trade the Bonox ones off NinjaTrader, and then do my analysis on TradingView. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And for all I know, maybe they'll text me during while I'm trying to trade the Bonox. Oh, I have to open up Rithmic at the same time too, I'm sorry. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. I'm opening up everything I need to open up right now. Did I connect? Okay. So now I can connect the Bonox. The Tradeify, there's no point. Let's disconnect that. Bonox. There it goes. Bonox is now connected. We're on 4. Okay. 10:30 for news. I'll mark that out real quick. News. Okay, making sure we're all connected. It's 4, and then let me get my NinjaTrader chart up. I'll show you it too if you want to see. Here's how the NinjaTrader one looks like. I had to get it set up yesterday because it's Bonox issue. Okay, like the 2 contracts. Okay. And then I think I'm good to trade now. I just gotta do my analysis. Yeah. Okay, sorry about all that. I just wasn't ready. It's falling behind. I tried getting the Tradeify accounts yesterday, but the same issues happened. Okay. It's whatever. Just have to be patient. Okay, so let's do our analysis now. All right, let's clear our drawings. 14 drawings. Oops. Let's do a 10:30 right here. It's news. Okay, let's do my higher time frame also. Am I missing data? Yes, I am. That sucks. Okay. What do I see here? I see this zone. I see this zone. Okay. All right. What else do I see? E, we're not in the best spot. So I got my high time frame zones. Okay. And there's one more I want to mark out, and that's it. Okay, then this should be good enough. We shouldn't really surpass the zone above and below during the session. But if we do, I'll just come back to the higher time frame and look for more zones. Let's make this all higher time frame. Okay, so that's done. Let's adjust that. Okay, now I need to do the 3 to 8 o'clock, the London one, the London line. So it's 3 to 8. We're right here. 3 o'clock is and then 8 o'clock is boom. Okay, there's my London lines. What a coincidence, it's on that higher time frame zone. Gives me more confluence and the zone's gonna work out. Then I have to do my initial balance and then my zones, and I'm done. I'm just ready to rock and roll. So let's do initial balance. 8:30, where you at? 8:30 is right here. Okay. 9:30 is where? Yep, okay. Boom. And then my high and low, it's gonna be right here. Make this green. So all I'm doing is just doing the analysis before I start trading for the day. It's so easy. So it's just a checkbook, like a checklist. Oh, this sucks. I didn't see how the zone was created. Damn, we're just like in a nasty range. Okay, make this red. I think I just got the text from the bank. Win. Oh, salad and my meal. Sorry. I got too excited. Okay. Let's look at everything else here. Wow, wow. All right. Looks disgusting. Okay, let's see. We're just like in a clunk of mess right now. But we can see that we're bullish. Let's see the higher time frame real quick. Yeah, so if we do break this red zone, 50% of a higher time frame zone is right above it, so I'm not expecting us to break. Yeah. Okay. I can understand what's going on now. I can see. Let's double check real quick. All right, I'll tell you my full analysis. So what you just saw me do is I did the whole thing. If you the people who are watching, I think are people that are in the course. So I teach you this, how to set all this up, how to do this exactly. So we have our full analysis done now. Now if we want to look for bearish or bullish plays. Currently, I can tell that we are bullish, but if we break out of this red zone, we have 50% of a 15-minute zone. So I'm expecting us to reject. So I wouldn't ideally be looking for bullish plays just yet. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to sit on my hands and wait and see how we react around here, then make a decision. Just right now, nothing looks like an A+ setup because I can't fully gauge where we're going right now. Also too, in this higher time frame, if I make this the main, I can see where 40% is at. And if it's hard for you to see, it's right here, 40%, and then 50% is right here. See how we've been respecting 40%, like we've been rejecting it? That means the zone's already getting mitigated. So orders are already being filled. So I'm expecting us to dump anytime soon. Or we might come up to get more orders than dump. And as you know, typically when we make these zones on the smaller time frame, if we float around 40% and do nothing, typically that tells you that the zone isn't going to work out. So if we do continue to float at 40% for a little longer and we don't go nowhere, we can assume that this zone won't get filled out and we can continue going up. I've not done nothing special, not done anything unique. I've just done the same things again and again and applied the same concepts that I trade on the lower time frames to the higher time frames. The higher time frame being the 15-minute and the lower time frame being the 5 seconds. Because we don't look for 1-minute zones. We only use the 1 minute to determine direction. On the top left of my screen, you can clearly see these 1-minute candles trying to go to the upside and break up. So we can say that we're fully bullish right now. But like all my other analysis stuff, I'm going to wait, be patient, because given everything else, we might reject up here. Without something complicated, I have a consistent amount of like 3 to 4 theories of what we would do or go. And the whole point of doing that is so that I'm ready. So when it does happen, I can execute and make money, or I can do what I need to do. And if I'm only doing one trade, that makes everything a lot easier, because then I can decide if I want to really waste it on that setup. We're busting through. So we just filled 50% right now. Let's see if we reject or continue going up. So I'm just waiting for the bank to text me so I can get these Tradify accounts. And if they do, then I'm going to connect them real quick. Because I don't want to be trading off NinjaTrader. I see something. I like it. Let's make it green. Where is the other side of 40%? Oh, yeah. I'm not really interested in this green play much. It'd be way too risky. It'd just be in the way, counter trend. If you look on the top right here, you see this 15-minute zone that I have squared and marked out. This zone right here. You can see how we have respected 50%. So why would I want to be in the way? Oops. I hope, don't forget to, like, this is all theory and ideas, because if we really look at what we're doing, we're making drawings on a chart. Like, that's all we're doing. We're not doing anything else. And we're expecting price to follow our drawings on the chart, which sounds ridiculous. So we're playing a game of probabilities. I know that I tend to call out exactly what's about to happen and always predict the market. I know. You don't have to tell me. But we want to keep our expectations not always so high. We don't want that inflated ego or pride, because it will bite us in the ass. It's pretty cool that this looks like this zone's going to deliver. Typically when we get a pull down, we get a small pullback. So this is a little pullback area before we dump again. I think y'all have heard me say it before. It's like when we have all the steam and the steam stops, or the steam takes a break, and like there's a zone where I'm assuming where the steam would stop. I didn't think it was going to stop here, but this is just an example. Like the steam's happening, we're dropping, then we take a little break, and then we come back again. Also, let me find out where that 12% is at. Yeah, so right here, this blue line is 12% of the higher time frame zone. So when we come to here and we cross this, the zone's already mitigated. We don't need to come all the way out. I already know it's been mitigated, so then it can start to come back up. And if it does come back up, I will 1000% look for bullish plays. There's something here. It's honestly sexy. Just be patient. Let me put my red line so I know when to stop. To hop off these screens. It's crazy that I trade like such a small window of time and I can still find trades and still execute. It's pretty cool. It's like I never ever thought I'd be at this level because I just struggled for so long. Let me go get a water. Okay. I'm just getting my stuff ready for NinjaTrader. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna fill out that 15-minute zone, I assume. If we did get a bit of a pullback. Oh, this already got filled. I bet this will get respected way more than this zone above. Come on, come on. So yeah, that 12% of the higher time frame zone is around this area. Okay, so far I've called out exactly what's gonna happen. We broke this zone, we rejected above because that 15-minute zone that's above us. Oh look, and we touched that blue line. What a coincidence. On the higher time frame zone. Just make this. Okay, so I'm still bearish, but if something bullish does pop up, I'll be interested in taking it. It would have to be very clean. I would need more confluences, but you get the idea. Okay, I'm adjusting my NinjaTrader chart to look more like this one. I just don't like NinjaTrader because it's so clunky. It's gonna be something like a terminal or something, like not the computer. Come on, bruh. I just want my account. It's so annoying that I can't do it. It's supposed to keep fighting me. I'm gonna try again right now. Okay, let's try this again. We're just chopping that 40%. Yes! Oh, it worked. Yeah. My funded account is now active. Now let's get another one. Let's get a... Oh, I think it's working now. Okay, hold on. Wow. Let's see if this works. Work, please work. Okay. Yippee! Okay, now I can now close Tradify. Yes, it worked. Okay. Now let's connect those accounts real quick. Let's hope nothing pops up in the meantime. I don't think anything will. Tradify, there it goes. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I gotta adjust my copier and everything. Give me a second here. On. This will cross. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I'm all good to go. The bullnoxes are connected. Okay. Five, four. Okay. Blah. Okay. I think I'm all situated now. I got 4 accounts here. Let's make sure that we're on the right one here. Oh, this is on the funded. I don't want to be on the funded. I want to be on the eval. So I need to disconnect real quick. Just give me a second here. Let me get situated. I'll log out. Oh, you know what I need to do? I think I need to accept. We'll find out right now, actually. Nope, I don't. I need to do nothing. Okay, so let me just make sure that I'm all good here. TDYA 504. Yes, everything is copying. Okay. Yeah, it's risk like $500 a trade. 2 contracts. Okay. Yeah, we're all good to go. Okay, now that's dealt with. Let me make the... Awesome. Okay, now we can actually trade off TradingView, and we don't have to trade off as a trader anymore. I'm gonna touch it. Yippee! Alright, so to be clear, right now I only have 1 Tradify funded account connected, a Tradify eValve, and then 2 Bullnox eValves. And the Tradify is only doing 2/10. the funded one. So whatever I trade is gonna be 2/10 of whatever I trade. I'm gonna risk about 500. Just two contracts, because the Bullnox. I mean, they're giving me issues, but I can only do two contracts with the Bullnox evals. So I might just sticking with two contracts. So we touched that 12% on the higher time frame zone already. So we can be switching to bullish as we speak. Here's a play right here. Green. Let's see where that 12% is at. Yep. Make this. Remember how I told y'all we're gonna respect this small zone more than this? So we're already doing it. That was predictable. I kind of wanted this up here, but it's just like too sloppy. I just want to see something though. I'm gonna check. Hold on. I want to see if it shows up on. Yeah, it does. Okay. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, let me look at everything real quick. So the 15-minute zone has been filled already. We just have this buffoonery up here we gotta deal with. I want to take this, but it's just such a low grade setup. But the pattern happened perfectly. Let's see if it fills out. And we're even respecting it right now. Oh, but I think it just touched 40%. Oh, it didn't touch 40%. Let's see, let's make this like super perfect. Yeah, it did touch 40% because like it's even rejecting. So that means it mitigated it. Like the play already got failed. I kind of want this, but I don't like how we technically didn't tap. We did, but it's just not textbook how I wanted it. I think I'm gonna pass on it, even though I really, really want to take it. Cause like we're even respecting it. I think I might just take it. I really want to. Is there anything I can just do one contract? TP. Stop loss. Oh, but how much is two? I'm okay losing 500. I don't know if I want to take this, so. So much uncertainty. It was now or never. And I'm okay taking a loss. I think it was like $500. The thing I didn't like is just there's not enough strength. The tap wasn't clean. But I did like this right here. This sold me. But I shouldn't. That was reckless. We'll see what happens. It's dropping. Because the pattern still happened. It just happened in the wrong way. So like right now it could have been mitigated. And we touched that 12% and then we're coming back up. There's also this small zone too. That looks like we're respecting more than the zone we're in. Yeah, you can see. Well, let's see if we get filled out. I don't want to be messing around with my TP and stop loss. I wish these P&Ls weren't moving. Well, that sucks. Looks like our stop's gonna get hit. It is a big zone though. I typically don't like taking these big zones. Oh, let me document this. I have a bad habit of not. I haven't been documenting my trades. Let's see here. No clear tap. Low grade play. I think it was just like too much of the excitement of wanting to get into something after getting those accounts. It is what it is. I don't think my TP is gonna get hit because we're clearly respecting this green zone and not the yellow zone. But we'll see what happens. This is not a play I recommend taking, and I wouldn't take this again. As much as I want to like hit it for break even or get out of it, it's not a habit I want to pick up. So I'm just gonna let my stop loss get hit. Or take profit, whatever it is. Oh, you can only see total P&L. Oh, you can't see realized just yet. You won't see the realized P&L until the position closes. Sitting and waiting. Rough week of trading, bro. What's your Discord again? Oh, I just saw it. Everything's in the description. I saw your message real late. I had the camera over it. My apologies. I just took like a low grade zone. Let's see. Oh, that's funny. Well, one contract got failed, I think. Doing a whole lot of nothing. Oh, let me notate this. I got a bad habit of not talking about these trades. Okay, so no clear tap of all the NT pattern that we always talk about. Let's show a bearish example here. So no clear tap. Tap wasn't on the zone. I was justifying this right here. This green zone was being way more respected than this yellow. The yellow never got respected. Before we entered, I was super hesitant about entering. I didn't know. So much uncertainty. I decided to do it more on FOMO than more on like more of an emotional decision. So I was okay with taking a small loss. Let me show you all the loss right here. And that was it. And now we're here. The funded only took like $100 loss, and accounts for like $500, $100. But yeah, that's it. That was more for me to dissect. So we cleared the 15-minute zone that I had marked out. I was talking about. We switched to bullish. It was very clear. So it was also counter trend. Let me write that down. Well, yeah, that's it. We have our one trade for the day. Let's see if I see something real quick. And I do. It's really nice. I should hop off now. Let's see. See what standard deviation is for this. Oh no, that's a big no-no. Okay, I'm gonna hop off now. I might take this though. This is super clean. Let's see if it breaks standard deviation. Then I might take it. If it doesn't, then I won't be interested. I love taking these plays where we break, where we break a bullish or bearish zone. Oh, it's so sexy. Let's see. Yeah, I'll wait for it. I'll wait real quick for this. And if it doesn't get filled, I'll just hop off. Let's see. Can the bull knox even copy? Okay. I want to hop off. If we just keep going up, I'm just going to cancel this. I'm going to put 2 more for my other accounts. That's only like $1,000 loss, I think. Which I don't mind. Okay. Yeah, there we go. If it gets too far away from standard deviation, then I just won't take this. Yeah, I find these plays so attractive. Let me see one more thing. Oh yeah, it's not bad. See if we come get filled. Seems like it wants to try. Let me make this my main also. We're like clearly respecting standard deviation on here. We only have about, what, 20 minutes left in the session. It's a lot of 5-second candles. We're consolidating, which is good. We're still seeing everything we want. It looks like it's about to fall. We're making lower lows. If it breaks the high and keeps going, I think I'll just hop off. It's like struggling to be above the EMA. You have 30 seconds on this 1 minute candle. I think that will really tell us where we're going to go next. Yeah, the 1 minute looks bearish still. It's 10 seconds, we'll see. Yeah, it's a pretty strong bearish candle. Yep. I might add one more here. I like this a lot. It's just like very textbook setup. No, it's just one more. Okay. Oh, they don't play games with me. Come on. There's like something clearly here. I don't know if we'll continue to respect it. I just want to sit here and wait for nothing. It's 20 minutes, so suck it up. I might just have to hop off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I appreciate y'all. We're ending the day at like negative, like $500. They're on evals, and the funded only lost like $100. It's really nothing. We can make this back in one trade or two trades or whatever. Not really worried about it. It was a low grade setup, so of course, like, what do I expect to happen on a low grade setup? But okay, yeah. And if you want me to recap for the ones that don't understand, we had no clear tap, and that was it. We had another when we float. Typically, the second zone is more important. So when I first saw this, I marked this out. I said this, we're more likely to respect this and not respect this, and we did just that. We respected this and didn't respect this. So we came into this, price came into here, and I was so uncertain, so uncertain. I just pressed sell regardless. I was like, fuck it, I'll get into it. That wasn't a good habit. That was just something bad to do. That wasn't smart. So I took my loss. So yeah, nothing out of pocket, nothing out of ordinary, just simple, not following rules. I think that is it. Oh, and it was counter trend also because we were in the 15-minute zone. I said that how we saw 12% of the 15-minute zone. If I make this the main, you can see 12% right here. So we filled that 12% of the main zone and came back up to switch to bullish. So it would have been counter trend. Okay, I will TTYL. I love y'all. Thank y'all for leaving a like. I do appreciate it. Hopefully I see y'all tomorrow. And yeah, I might stay here and maybe make a trade. More than likely won't. More likely we'll just hop off. But all right, I'll TTYL. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. And as always, love y'all. All right, bye.